Today I am going to solve activity 8.18. In activity 8.18, you have been asked to revisit the program of activity 8.13, and you have to assume that if we introduce procedures inside the program to calculate the highest, lowest, and average of each subject, and to calculate the highest, lowest, and average of each student. So if we introduce, this is the program that we had done in activity 8.13, and if we introduce procedures for calculations of highest, lowest, and average of subject as well as student, now this whole part of program will come into procedures. But I think so that in order to differentiate between local and global variables, you know that global variables have a global impact. It will have an impact on overall program. Then coming to this concept, I think that high, low, and average, the high, low, and average of each subject should also be global, because they should have a global impact. They should be used and declared globally. The high, low, and average of student should also be global, and the high, low, and average of class should also be global. And if we think about local variables, then only the variables that are being used to run these loops. For example, the student, or the subject, or the test, or the variable of mark, which is taking the inputs of marks every time and then comparing it. According to me, in only these four variables should be declared as local variables. Otherwise, all other variables should have a global impact on the whole program. So all other variables should be global.